Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and I just got a news that Robinhood IPOs amid Uniswap partnership rumors. So these are the rumors 26 minutes ago. So buy the rumor, sell the news, this kind of stuff. I think so. Class A shares will begin trading at $38 under the ticker Hood. And if I go down, you can see here Database will launch its initial public offering valued at 31.7 billion, and Robinhood is rumored to be working with DeFi giant Uniswap to expand its crypto capabilities. So guys, basically today's video is about the Uniswap price prediction, and you can already see 25 minutes ago the price, this was already listed. The price has just the news has just been released, and you can see whenever there's a news there is an increase in the price. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart or 15-minute chart, here you can see on the 15-minute you can see there is a rise. Price is increasing. I think this may be due to the the news, but we have to look for the general price prediction where the price could lead to. So let's take a look at the analysis. First I'm gonna take a look from the coin market cap, and let's head over to their volume. You can see their volume has increased 2%, $401 million, and the price is increasing. You can see here the price is increasing right now. This may be due to the news. Well, what can we say? So here we can take a look at this one, the price analysis. Okay guys, if we head over to, let me turn off the volume right now. Now here we are near the resistance area. If I show you with the magnet tool, this one here, now this is our resistance right now. Okay, this is our resistance area. I'm gonna tell you here 20.371. this is our resistance one. Okay, and if I go this, you can see here this is another area as well. Why? Because you can see this is the swing low. Okay, got one rejection, we got another rejection from this area, then this swing low candle closed above, it started here at this level, so it's an important level. And then you can see here we have got multiple areas tested at this area. So this is a this is a swing high as well. So this area is acting as a barrier. Okay, this is a barrier. 20.3 is a barrier. And right now you can see here the price is getting rejected from the downside as well. You can see here, and here you can see this is the swing high candle. Okay, this is the swing high candle, and we might see that this could be our support level. So it is making a very tight support and resistance right now. If we can see here, this one is our support level on the daily chart. Okay, now this is the support one on the downside here, 18.61. okay, 18.6, and this would be our resistance area right now. So what I see is that the price is continuously making high lows. Okay, so high lows means that, and with strong news like the rumors with by the Robinhood IPOs, the price can break this level 20.371. so if you want to place your buy orders, you can place around 18.6, and this would be our support level. But if this level breaks, then what could be our next area of support? Let's take a look at here. Now this is the area what I think. Here you can see multiple rejections from this area, swing low. So I'm gonna mark out this area as the next support here. So here I have to find out this one as well, swing high. See here, now this would be our support level. Okay, this would be our next support here, 17.16 to up to, you can say, 16.7. so here you have got swing high, the support one, support two, resistance one, and the next resistance would be around this area. And let me show you. Yeah, this could be our resistance, and this could be our target. Let me show you this one here. This would be our next target here around this area, resistance one, resistance two, sorry. So now we have got all the targets: support 1, support 2, resistance 1, resistance 2, or you can also say this is a take profit 1 and this would be our take profit 2. So simple is that. Okay, so this is the current scenario of the Uniswap. If we take a look from journal perspective, you can see here that we are already down from all-time high to already 57% down from the all-time high. So I think Uniswap is also after the PancakeSwap one of the biggest DEX exchanges on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you want to day trade, I have shown you the mentioned the targets here. If you want to hold for the long term, you can hold it on the Uniswap and form the coins, whatever you can do. So this is the current price analysis of Uniswap. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.